Hi, this is Maria. I'm going to show how to download the 2019 DigiBujo by Gollan Designs. I'm going to download the natural, but it comes in different colors and the process is the same for all of the journals. So when you purchase it, you probably bought it with the Etsy app, which is fine, but you can't download from here. You have to go to the website to download. So I'm going to get out of the app, go to my browser. I'm going to type www.etsy.com at the top and log in. Okay, once you're logged in, you get a U here. Click U, purchases and reviews, and that brings you to your purchases. Okay, so there's my journal. I'm going to download files. Okay, you get some instructions, and you get, with this purchase, you get the journal itself as a PDF file. You get a sticker book, another PDF file, and you get 2 PNGs. These are sticker files, so they download differently. So we're going to do this one step at a time. The journal itself, we'll download that. Give it a chance to think. Okay, once it's done, it's page 1 of 466. It's a big journal. Okay, once you have it, you want to save it. So click the square with the up arrow, and you can save it to Dropbox or to wherever it is that you want to save it. I put mine in the cloud, so I have a folder, Save to Files. I have a Journals Original folder, and I will add it here. And now that is in my file, so I have a clean copy if I should need one. If I screw up and need to start over, I can just download it again. Now to use it, I'm going to go open my Goodnotes file. I'm going to click the plus arrow at the top left, import from wherever you saved it. I put mine in the cloud. Find my journal, and now I've downloaded my brand new DigiBujo. Okay, click and open, and there's your files. I have another video on how to use and set up this, so look for that one. Okay, so I'm going to back out of that. This is my main screen in Goodnotes. I'm going to go back to my Etsy page. So that was my browser. I'm going to hit the back arrow. There's my Etsy browser. This one I just downloaded. I'm going to download the sticker book next. Download. And this gives you directions. Click on the button above. This is a button to download the stickers from the Jenny's Dropbox. Then I'm going to click Export, open in Goodnotes, and then you pick a category within Goodnotes. So let's get started. I'm going to click Download, wait for it to download. I'm going to scroll down a little bit, open, click my 3 dots, Export, and I'm going to export this one directly into Goodnotes. Mine are all into, you can have categories in Goodnotes, I don't. And so it'll just drop it in right there, straight into my Goodnotes main file. You click on that to open it, and you have pre-cropped individual stickers in here. Okay. This is what you get. That's the last page. To add a basic page and just copy the same white page that you have already in your sticker book, simply swipe, release to add a page. Okay, that's a basic Goodnotes way of adding pages. If you want an exact same, this white page was simply duplicated by sliding from the last page. I'm making a blank page because when I go back into my Etsy shop, I have 2 PNGs to download that came with this purchase. I've got this one. This is a picture file. I'm going to click the up arrow, and I'm going to save that picture file right into my camera roll. Save image, back up, pick up the other one, download, up arrow, and I'm going to save that one straight into my camera roll. Okay, go into Goodnotes. This is my sticker book. I'm going to long press, image, photos, and I'm going to find those last two images that we just saved. There's the first one. Okay. On a blank page, I'm going to create another blank page. Long press, image, photos, pick up the other sticker page, and I've just added stickers to my sticker book. That's it. Thanks for watching.